finna lie. I was finna lie, y'all. Y'all know wigs usually have combs in the back, right?
Want to know what happened to Cinderella after that night she left her shoe? She was hurrying up to get home to take her wig off.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I am IAMDACARDIA, also known as Synthetic Wig Whisperer. And if you are new here, you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. I ain't no boy, I'm a girl. So let me put on some earrings. If you are watching this video and you're new, I am doing a HALLOWIG edition little series, little mini series this month. I don't know if it's a series, but you know, whatever. So I am trying the color green in this little video. Look at my nails. Does it give you any type of vibe of the character I'm going to be? No? I'll tell you. Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice. Let me give you the details on this unit. Of course, you guys know that I got this from Temu. She was $13.29. She is green, of course, and she's 24 inches. And you know what? See, when I be catching these sales, y'all, I really do be catching them, because right now she is $29.39. Baby, that's like $30 rounded up. Like I told y'all what to do. I told y'all what to do in order to get prices like this. Keep it in your cart, monitor the price. That's all I can say. All the information, everything that I'm going to be using in this video is in the description box. So this is what it looks like. So let's go ahead and take it out the bag. Ooh, she long. Let me be clear. Green is my favorite color. It's been my color since I was little, okay? Let's get into the details. So let's take off this net. And of course, y'all know to take out the gut. And look at baby. Y'all see these? So, look at that hairline, y'all. Look at it. Y'all see it? Oh, that's okay, you. Of course, we got two combs on the side. We have one. I was finna lie. I was finna lie, y'all. Y'all know wigs usually have combs in the back, right? This doesn't have a comb in the back. They messed up. What? Now I can see why you $13. Okay, cool. Anyway, so this is a 13x3 lace. Y'all, she got a comb in the middle. How did I miss that? She got a comb in the middle. We got 3 combs in the front to make it secure, but no comb in the back to keep it from going up. What? All right, and of course she does have adjustable straps. And me, I would love to cut this into like a bob. I'm forever cutting hair. I need to stop it. Y'all tell me to stop it. Just keep it long. She's not bright at all. Like, clearly, as you can see, she's just not bright. I like that. It's cute. But anyway, let's go ahead. Let's get this together so we can put this wig on. Alright, so I am going to use some of my foundation. Don't worry about how to apply it. Just put it on there. I know I'm talking about Temu. I ain't sponsored by none of them, so I can talk about anybody I want. But Shein's makeup is like legit the best stuff I ever had, baby. It's expensive, in my opinion, y'all. I'm very, very cheap. If y'all ain't know this by now, your girl is really cheap. It's gonna be sheet lamb. I don't know if y'all see that, but this stuff right here, yeah, it's so good. I like it. You got people out here spending like hundreds of dollars on foundation. Why? What is the difference between that $100, $200 foundation and my $11 or $10 foundation? Nothing. The makeup, it makes your face smooth. So do this. So do this. and we're gonna put it on. Okay. What? Yes. Oh, baby. Look at it. Oh, look at that. That is a wonderful hairline. Alright, so let's go ahead and cut the lace, and then I'm going to lay down the lace. I'm going to tell y'all right now, this lace is going to be great. I do know that. I am going to put on my melting spray. It is disappearing. Now that, what did I tell y'all? What did I tell y'all? Don't play with this lace. Don't play with it. Alright, and we're going to keep that on for 10 minutes. Oh, y'all. Looky and look at. What? Now I'm about to pluck because I want this to look good. That is the best I'm gonna do. Go ahead and get this extra hair out. Okay, so I made my decision. I think I want a side part. I can't do much because the lace area is, it's not that much. I don't want to keep this hair long. But if you wanted to wear this hair this length, you could. Okay, I am going to cut it. Like I be telling you guys, I am not a cutter, okay? I don't cut, I don't do this, I don't know what I'm doing. So this is the best I'm going to get it. Now I want to flat iron it to see. Y'all, I promise I cannot cut for nothing. I tried. I probably should like start cutting the wig before I put it on. Just a little baby hairs, nothing out of the ordinary, something like that. Okay, I guess that'll have to do. So I want to see, because I want to wear this hair several ways is what I'm saying. I want to wear it like, you know, down like this, and possibly a side part. I love how it kind of like look like it's layers in it. So let's go ahead and let's try to get this hair to look a certain way. So I'm gonna push all this hair back. Got my wax stick, and I am going to push this hair back. Now I want to see if this can literally take heat. Wonder, can I bump it? No, I can't. Okay, so I'm not for sure how I want to do this, but let me get into character.
Beetlejuice. 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 It's showtime.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so y'all, let's talk about it. This is not a makeup content. This is a wig content. I did good on this. Okay. I love it. I love the lace. I didn't even put no foundation besides on the lace. You saw that. But what I did off camera, I did not put any foundation on the lace. Cut just a little bit more because there were some pieces. Y'all, I'm not the best when it comes to cutting, okay? She does take heat. Now, I did not do anything to the side because I love the way that it is. It looks like it's bumped already. This side, baby, I don't know what's up with this side. It's just, yeah. I put some clips in and I lifted right here and I sprayed it so it would stay. If you wear this hair the way it comes, which is 24 inches, without cutting it, baby, she tangles. She tangles. It's a difference with, I mean, yes, she's a synthetic unit, but you know, you have some synthetic units that you don't even have to really comb as much. This one, baby, every time you put your fingers through the hair, it is nappy. I don't know if I truly like that. That's the main reason why I cut it, because I was like, I can deal with it being short, but long, yeah, no, I can't do that. If I was to give this wig a rating, it's two different ratings, okay? So hear me out. So if you wear it long, she's a 6. She's a 6. What's keeping her from like a 0 is the lace. The lace in the hairline is beautiful. I love it. It melts when you put the melting spray on there. But if you were to cut it, it's probably an 8. I do think that I can manage it better than the long length. Also, the lace is just beautiful. I love the lace on this unit. So it is not a bright green, but you can tell it's green. Okay. It's cute. I like it. This is really, really cute. I hope you guys like this wig installment. This is really cute. I do like this. It's very different. Alright, so that is it for this video of my hollow wig edition. I hope you guys like this. Everything, all the information on everything that I used to create this is in the description box. Until next time, folks, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.